Say na?
I said
You know, say it again.
best day ever.
Now, we're here in Bellissimo, Manolos. Wow.
What?
Wow. We're here. What the car? Oh. There. Nice.
Go.
Sangkuan man yun.
2, 3, yeah. What? I'm definitely gonna stay here for one
What?
night. Definitely.
Yeah, one night only because this is
This is
expensive.
Lupad ako pa sa picture.
I saw a swimming pool, Mama.
Where?
There, look at that blue thing there.
Oh, yes.
There, Mama, there.
Yeah, yeah.
Please go there. Please.
Of course, oy.
Yes.
We will roam around here, of course.
Thank you.
Oh, you tell it to Papa also.
Papa, thank you. Oh, wait.
Okay, let's go out na, Rox.
Yeah,
Let's go out na.
go out.
Ini among view outside. Di, shit, there. So dito may nag-parking. Na diri ang swimming pool. Dito rin. Naiusa dito. Nga ang mga kids kay nasa ilaing swimming pool diri. There. Nasa ilaing swimming pool dito. So nice. We are in Bellissimo Manolos Resort. There is a Barili, Cebu. Solo diri ang first swimming pool. Kaya ang ubang kasin nasa ubos. Nasilay 3 ka swimming pool. No, I'll show you later ang duha dito sa ubos. Daghan kayo og pwede ka chill-chillan. Ang liglingkuranan. Now let's go to other pool. Yan na?